I just bought more Kaspa into my portfolio from this very point yesterday, and this meant a lot. And it meant that I could retire early, especially in the heat of the bull market. In this video, let's talk about that very position that I bought and the reason why you need to consider Kaspa as one of your layer one crypto in this very bull market. Bitcoin price prediction. If you are not investing in well, I would say that you need to consider investing well in this very bull market, and more reason why you need to do that in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Kaspa is one of my best pick for layer one right now. And if you look at this very chart, it is called that market has been coming back to the downside. My first buying was around this very point right here, and market moved all the way to the upside, and right now market is coming back down. And the reason why I have to buy more is because Kaspa is one of the layer one crypto that is going to do very well in the heat of the bull market, considering technical and fundamental outlook. So from this very point, I bought more Kaspa yesterday at this very area right here, and the expectation is that market should come back down a little bit, okay, and I'm going to buy more dollar cost averaging my position. And when the market begin to move upward, before market come into the first point I bought, I should be in profit already, okay? And this is what I am personally doing right now. The reason why I'm buying Kaspa from this very point is because if you look at the 1 week chart, we have a very good history on Kaspa right at this very point. Look at it here. When market enter into oversold condition from this very point, we see from here market at oversold condition, and then from this very point market begin to move upward. We have retracement back down into oversold condition again at this very point on the stochastic RSI indicator. Market move upward, then we see this very movement to the upside. Not only that, right now market is down with retracement again to this very point, and the stochastic RSI is also at oversold condition. So at oversold condition, market is going to come out of oversold condition, and we're going to have that major pump all the way to the upside, just like we had here, this very point, and this very area will not be an exception. And that is why I consider buying right now as the best time to buy, not when the market move all the way to the upside. When you buy when the market already moved upward, you've already missed out on the position. Not only that, you are buying at higher price. So the best time to buy is right now, because from this very point at oversold condition, market is going to come out of this oversold and move all the way to the upside. So what you need to do right now, if you want to invest in Kaspa, just like I've done, is to buy, okay, let's say 50% of what you want to use in buying, and then if market dump a little bit downward, you buy the remaining 50%. And this is how you need to buy, and then expect that aggressive move all the way to the upside. Like I said earlier, Kaspa is one of the best crypto for layer one that you need to get into your portfolio for this very bull market. So from this technical analysis, I am expecting that the price of Kaspa is going to increase in the next 3 to 4 weeks from now. And we're going to see this retracement come to an end very soon, especially when we see that this very blue line and the orange line move out of oversold condition, crossing above the 20% line on the stochastic RSI indicator. And this is very important right now. So that is the most important thing for all Kaspa investors. And you want to invest, if you have not invested, you can invest right now and dollar cost average your position. And this is exactly what I am doing on my position. Bitcoin price analysis. Considering the 1 week chart, market is coming back down. So we have this retracement which is needed in the market. So market moved from this very point of support all the way to this very point, and market is coming back down. This is a 1 week chart, and I am expecting that this movement did not come all the way down to the 53k level, okay, What that means is I am not expecting the market to come all the way down to this very point of $53,000 per Bitcoin. The possibility is there, but that is not what I am expecting right now, because a couple of things has happened in recent days, which mean we should be expecting aggressive move in the market very, very soon. So this is my position right now for Bitcoin in the next coming days and weeks. Market is going to move upward, but not very aggressive, okay? As we approach the US election in November on the 7th, expect the market to move significantly upward. Now, on the immediate short term, this very week, I am not expecting any aggressive move on BTC this very week. And the reason is because market have a good resistance right at this point. Market have to have a little correction before the next move upward. So this correction have to be in play for some couple of days and then the next move upward. And most especially, once we begin to see the market beat the previous all-time high at this very point, just know that the market is going to have parabolic move all the way to the upside. And once that breakout happen within this very area of 73, 74K level, market is going to begin to pump all the way to the upside. So on the long term, expect market to move upward. Market is in an upward clear direction. Why? Because market move all the way from here, impulsive move, retracement. The next move is going to be impulsive all the way to the upside in continuation with this upward trend on the 1 week chart. And on the 1 day chart, that is on the short term, if you look at it, market is going to come back down a little bit. I am expecting that the market come back down a little bit from here, okay, and afterward market is going to come back upward. So expect the market to move down, then afterward market is going to move upward, okay. So this is a movement upward. Retracement is still in play before the next move is going to happen all the way to the upside. So once retracement end, market is going to continue this movement to the upside on BTC USDT 1 day chart. And if you don't have well in your portfolio, I believe you need to consider buying well into your portfolio for your DeFi position. So well is a DeFi coin. If you look at what the market did in the past, in the bear market in 2022, market have been maintaining strength a little bit, okay. Market drop, then maintain strength, go back upward in 2023 February, come back down a little bit, did not come back to this very low, move upward, come back down, and moving with sideways movement as well. But look at what happened right here in February 2024. Markets shoot all the way to the upside as most crypto was also moving upward, and then we have this major movement downward for correction. One thing very important right here is this very coin have a very limited supply. If you go to coin market cap and search for well and do a little background on-chain data and check that very information, you discover that well is one of the coin you should have in your portfolio. And one thing is that this very movement was triggered as a result of the fact that well get a Coinbase listing, okay, and exposing this very coin to majority of market participants, which make liquidity to flow into this very coin and market move all the way to the upside. Right now is it the best time to buy because Bitcoin have not had any significant move all the way to the upside, but well have had significant move in the past few weeks all the way to the upside. Correction is in right now, the best time to buy before the next move also all the way to the upside. So consider buying well for your DeFi position in this very bull market. This is very important for well, Bitcoin, and most importantly on your Kaspa position for layer 1 crypto. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching.